In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an overdraft on Monzo Bank 2025. An overdraft is a safety net that lets you spend a little beyond your account balance, usually with interest charged daily on the amount you use. Availability and rates depend on your circumstances, so I'll show you exactly where to find the option in the app, how to check if you're eligible, and how to pick a limit that works for you. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone and logging in as usual. It helps to have the latest version of the app installed so all the menus and disclosures load correctly. Once you're on the home screen, tap your account card to open your main current account view. This is where Monzo groups all your account features, including cards, settings, and borrowing options. Inside your account, look for the Overdrafts option. It typically appears alongside other account management tools. Tap it to continue. If you can't see overdrafts, it may mean the feature isn't available for your account type, or Monzo may need more information before showing you an offer. Don't worry, eligibility can change over time as your account usage and credit profile update. Next, the app will guide you through an eligibility check. This is quick and handled securely within Monzo. You may see information about how they assess your application, including credit checks and affordability. Review any notes carefully so you understand how your data is used and what affects your eligibility. If you're eligible, you'll be shown the option to proceed. If not, Monzo often explains why and may suggest trying again later. If you're offered an overdraft, you'll be able to choose your limit using a slider or preset amounts. As you adjust the limit, the app will display the representative rate and an estimate of interest costs so you can see the effect of borrowing different amounts. Pick the smallest limit that meets your needs to keep costs down. You can usually change the limit later from the same place in the app. Before you activate it, review the summary screen. This includes the limit, the interest rate, key terms, and any important documents. Take a moment to read everything, then confirm to turn the overdraft on. That's it. You're done. Your overdraft is now linked to your Monzo current account, and you'll see it reflected in your balance view. If you ever want to adjust or remove it, head back to the same overdraft section. Use it responsibly, keep an eye on notifications, and you'll have a flexible cushion when you need it.